Now, let's talk about setting up your profile. Just like a website is the home base for all your marketing efforts, your LinkedIn profile is the starting place to growing a following and making money on LinkedIn.
You have to optimize your profile. Again, a key step. Don't even bother spending time on LinkedIn doing anything if you have a crappy profile, because it's just not going to work, right? Or it's going to work to a degree, but you're going to see way better results if you have an optimized profile.
Here are 6 things that you need to nail with your profile. Number 1. Your profile picture needs to show a happy and smiling picture of you with a bright background. This way, when you comment or post, you will stand out from the dark blue and white LinkedIn platform. Number 2. Your LinkedIn banner image helps people to learn more about you and what you do. It's like the hero image of a website. Now, I've seen 3 types of banners that work on LinkedIn. The first is the authority banner. This displays a book or a lead magnet that you have created, positioning you as an expert in the field. The second is the social proof banner that shows you speaking or in action doing something connected to your work, or it shows logos or quotes from brands and people who have worked with you. Last, and my favorite, is the clarity banner. This says who you help, where you help them, how you help them, and the benefit you bring. A key to making a good LinkedIn banner is to position all of your content on the right-hand 2/3, because on mobile, your profile picture will cover up the left-hand 2/3. Number 3. Next, your LinkedIn profile needs a one-liner. This is a simple, quick, and clear way for someone to know exactly what you do. Here is that equation again. It's who you help, where you help them, how you help them, and the benefit you bring. Now, obviously, if your business is not geographically bound, then you want to leave out the part about where you help them. And you can rearrange and order these items, but it all needs to add up for your one-liner. Here is an example. Helping dads in the Atlanta area lose weight so that they can feel like themselves again. Or, I create custom Squarespace websites to help you grow your business and save you time in just 2 weeks. Number 4. Next is your About section. This section is a chance to explain more about what you do, the steps someone takes to work with you, your story, etc. I have a whole video on how to write the copy for the homepage of your website, but you should use that on your LinkedIn About section, because everything, and I mean like everything, is going to carry over. Number 5. You need to enable creator mode. This is going to give you some awesome options on how to expand your network and your content's reach. And here are 6 reasons why you need to enable creator mode. 1 is that you can display the topics that you post about in your profile introduction as hashtags. This makes it easier for other LinkedIn members to discover your content and follow you. 2 is that you can create a 30-second profile picture video for people to learn more about you and to just get a feel of your personality. 3 is that you can highlight your original content on your profile by moving your featured and activity sections to be first on your profile. 4 is that you can become eligible to be featured as a suggested creator to follow so that potential followers can discover you and your content across LinkedIn. 5 is that you can get access to creator tools such as LinkedIn Live Video and LinkedIn Newsletter. And 6 is that you can change your connect button on your profile to follow and to display the number of followers that you have on your profile. And if you're like, yo, what's the difference between followers and connections? Well, followers can see your content, but you can't see them. And people can follow you without you having to approve them. Your connections can see your content and you can see their content. Also, you can direct message your connections too, but you can't message people that you follow. Basically, you want it to be easy for people to follow you, but when you reach out to people, you want to connect with them. And also, just one more bonus feature is that all of the posts that you make when you have creator mode turned on will include a follow button. So it just makes it one step easier for people to see your content and then follow you. Pretty cool, right? Well, here's how to turn creator mode on. Click the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Click View Profile. Scroll down to Resources and click on Creator Mode Off. Click Next on the Creator Mode Preview pop-up window. Add topics, these are those hashtags, to indicate the topics that you want to post about the most, and then click Done. LinkedIn profile tip number 6. Build out your skills, endorsements, and recommendations. The skill and endorsement section of your profile allows you to showcase the stuff that you know how to do. If you are good at a certain type of software, programming language, or even soft skills like communication or team management, then you can include them here. Also, people can endorse these skills of yours to boost your credibility. Something I like even more are recommendations. Recommendations are similar to endorsements, but I think even more powerful because they speak to you as a total person. They are basically testimonials. You can give a recommendation in 2 ways. You can either go to someone's profile, scroll down, and find the recommendation section, or if you look and see that they don't have a section, it probably means that nobody has recommended them yet. Also, I just said probably, really strange. No worries, you can be the first to recommend them, and they will probably be grateful. Go to the top of their profile and click More, and then Recommend. Write some kind, thoughtful words, and then you are good to go. Similarly, you can request a recommendation by going to your recommendation section, clicking the plus icon, and then request a recommendation, and then typing in the name of the person that you would like to ask. Or by clicking More on someone's profile and then clicking Request a Recommendation. It's a good rule of thumb to give twice as many recommendations as you request.